Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you a software can help you to auto group posting. First step, you can select how many accounts Facebook you want to use, and next step you can select prepare the content you want to use for posting. You can use duplicate contents between the accounts, and next step you can set up the group you want to post to, or you can post to group by keyword. For example, I will choose post to group ID, and I can paste on the group's ID I want to post to. Next step, you can choose the software can auto join if the group didn't join yet. Even you can tag everyone, and next step you can click start. So the software will opening the small Facebook accounts and start to join to the group you want to post to. For example, if you're going to post to group for cosmetics, you can find the groups with that keyword and you can put into the software. From now, the software will run automation, the same like how you do manually. The software will run the same, and it can run many accounts at the same time. So if you have any question about the software, please send me a message on Telegram or WhatsApp. I will support you. Thank you.